You signed up for Little Movers and Shakers this month, and the theme is baking, and we get to sing a song together. I'm so excited. This one is called At the Bakery, and it's to the tune of Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. Are you guys ready? All right. Here's how it goes. What will you buy at the bakery, the bakery, the bakery? What will you buy at the bakery so early in the morning? I'd like to buy some cookies today, some cookies today, some cookies today. I'd like to buy some cookies today so early in the morning. Is that all we want? What else should we buy? What will you buy at the bakery, the bakery, the bakery? What will you buy at the bakery so early in the morning? I'd like to buy some cupcakes today, some cupcakes today, some cupcakes today. I'd like to buy some cupcakes today so early in the morning. Yay! I am so excited. I'm so glad you guys joined me for that song. See you next time. Bye.